Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new lesson. This is how Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. In this lesson, we are looking at insurance. We'll look at what it means and then the basic terminologies we would need to solve questions under it. So without much ado, let's quickly look into it. When we say insurance, it is a financial contract, right, that protects a person or business against risk of significant financial loss in the future. What does this mean? So let's say you have an asset, or you have an asset, a building, and its wealth is about, let's just assume $200,000, right? Now, what insurance does is, if you go through this contract, that is the insurance or the policy, you prevent yourself from having to pay everything by yourself when there's a loss. You see, and you do so by paying what we call premiums. The premiums aren't equal to the amount you would actually lose if your asset gets destroyed. You see, it is just a fraction or a percentage of it. So then, the definition is as you see on your screen. So it's a financial contract that protects a person or business against the risks of significant financial loss in the future. Now, the insured person usually pays small amount, as I have said, that is the premium, regularly to insure to insure the asset to the company. In return, the company agrees to pay a large amount of money. We call that the claim. So the amount of money they would give you if specified bad event occur. So example, it could be a car having a car accident or house fire or even death of an insured person. Now, insurance have a way it operates, right? It operates in the sense that because many people pay into the pool, right? Because many people are being insured, but only a few will actually suffer the loss. They take the money from the pool, not only yours. So it's what we call the risk sharing. We are all sharing our risks and then contributing into a pool. You see, and then since the people who would be in need at a particular point in time is less, the company just takes out of the pool. With that said, let's look at the key terminologies we need to know so we'll be able to solve questions under insurance. The first among these terms is what we call the policy. So simply put, the policy is the legal contract detailing the terms of the insurance. So that you can simply say the terms and conditions, right? The terms of being insured, the terms and conditions provided by the company, that is the policies. Now we have what we call the premium as well. And what is the premium? So it is the fixed amount of money that you pay the insured that the person pays to the company. Usually it is taken annually, sometimes monthly, sometimes even quarterly. It depends on what you have in the policy. You see, so it depends on what you have as the terms and conditions. Now, even though there is a cost for your total property, the company per its policies have an amount they agree to pay. You see, and we call that the sum assured. The sum assured. So the sum assured is the maximum amount of money the insurance company agrees to pay out. So they agree to pay out if a claim is made. Okay, so maybe the asset or the individual that has been insured has gone through a loss or something, any accident, right? The amount, that is the maximum amount you can take, is what we term as the sum assured, and its symbol is S. So that is as you see on your screen over here. Then our last term we need to know is the rate of insurance. So the annual percentage used by the company to calculate the premium. We know what the premium is, right? That is the fixed amount of money to be paid. Okay. So the annual percentage used by the company to calculate the premium usually expressed as a percentage of the sum assured. That is what we call the rate. Okay. So it is the percentage of the sum assured. So talking of the formula we would need in solving for insurance, you say the premium, this is all we need. So the premium is equal to the sum assured times the rate. As simple as that. The premium is equal to sum assured times the rate. The rest is just an application of ratio and proportion. If more, less divides, and then all that. So we'll end this lesson here and then continue with the calculations in the next lesson. I do hope this video was informative and then educative as well. If this is your first time on this channel, let's have your numbers where we learn maths the easy way. You can choose to subscribe if you so do wish, so that anytime I release a video, you'll be notified as well. Stay blessed and bye for now.